नवे वर्साचे निमतान प्रधानमंत्री मोदीच्या नावान आज बिशपाचो वसुदैव कुटुंबकम संदेश। प्रधानमंत्री मोदी हालीं ही उतरां संवसारभर वता थंय वापरता। ताचो संदर्भ दिवन आज बिशप फिलिप नेरी फेर्रावान ब्रेस्तारा सांजे ताचे पॅलेसीचेर आमंत्रितांक नवे वर्सा आनी नातलां निमतान संदेश दिलो। संवसाराक शांतिकाय आनी मोग दिवचो, सरकार, समाज आनी चर्चीन मेळून एकमेकाविशीं विस्वासाचें वातावरण करून शांतिकायेक वावरूंक जाय असो आज बिशपाचो उलो। चर्च खंय सदांच सामाजीक शांतिकाय आनी एकचाराक वावुरतली।
भारत एक देश है जिसकी वेद काल से परंपरा वसुधैव कुटुंबकम की रही है।
इट वैलिडेट्स द इंडियन फिलॉसफी of Vasudhaiv Kutumbakam, the world is one family.
आर्चबिशपान नातला आणि नव्या वर्साचो संदेश दितना संदर्भ दिला तो प्रधानमंत्री मोदीच्या ह्या उतरांचो। प्रधानमंत्र्याच्या उतरांनी सरकार, लोक आणि चर्चीकय संदेश।
It's a celebration of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, a famous shloka found in the Maha Upanishad and which has been thoughtfully engraved in the entrance hall of our Indian Parliament. It is perhaps fitting that we read out this great ancient text on an occasion like this. In its English translation, it goes like this: "Only the small minds discriminate, saying, 'This is my relative, the other is a stranger.' For those who live magnanimously, the entire world is but one family." Unquote. We are glad to note that our respected Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi, opened his historic address at the United Nations General Assembly in September 2014 with a tribute to India's ancient traditions, telling a packed assembly hall that India's philosophy, which has guided us since Vedic times, is that of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. In other words, that we in India believe that we live as one family under God. The gift of peace that we celebrate at Christmas highlights this sense of being one family under God. We live in India, in a civilization that has always chanted and continues to chant Om Shanti, acknowledging our connection with all other living beings and with the rest of creation. The gift of divine peace that we celebrate at Christmas becomes a task for all of us to make peace, harmony, and genuine freedom come true in the life of every citizen in our country, and thus bring to fulfillment the deepest aspirations of the heart of every Indian. I invite you, the government and the public authorities, and ourselves, the church, to outdo each other in the healthiest of spirits in the achievement of this goal. I shall end with the assurance that we have given consistently on this meaningful occasion along these years, namely that the Church in Goa will be only too glad to offer her collaboration in the building of a supportive society that sincerely and genuinely promotes peace and harmony in our land.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, प्रुडंट।
निमाणे कोलवाकारांक बरे पुलीस स्टेशन मेळटले अशी चिन्हां दिसतात। सरकारान टुरिझमाची 1660 स्क्वेअर मीटर जमीन पुलीस खात्याक कोलवा नवीन पुलीस स्टेशन बांदूंक ट्रान्सफर केल्या। ब्रेस्तारा मंत्रिमंडळाच्या बसकेन निर्णय जालो। बसके उपरांत मुख्यमंत्री पर्रीकरान मिडियाकडे उलयलो। सरकारान IT स्टार्टअपाक लागून पर्वरेस जागो दिवपाचें थारायला।
कोलवा पुलीस स्टेशन कन्स्ट्रक्ट करपाक 1660 स्क्वेअर मीटर जमीन दिवपाचो निर्णय कॅबिनेटान घेतला। टुरिझमाची जमीन आशिल्ली, डिसिजन एक्चुअली घेतलेलो म्हणल्यार कॅबिनेटाचें एप्रुवल नाशिल्लें आनी उरलेलें। सो नाव दॅट कॅन बी डन, दॅट इज वन। पर्वरीची जमीन 8 × 12,400 स्क्वेअर मीटर ही IT डिपार्टमेंटाक ट्रान्सफर केल्या.
घेऊया एक कमर्शियल ब्रेक.